It's the beginning of the year and life is getting busy again with kids' sports, activities, and hectic work schedules for mom and dad. But there's one thing that often gets overlooked, and it's something that can truly save lives. The American Red Cross says this is one of the toughest seasons for blood donations, and right now the need, it is especially urgent. So we have Brian Moschler with the American Red Cross. He's joining me to explain why donations drop during this time of year, but also how easy it is for you to get involved and for you to help. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
So glad to have you. So I would love if you could set the stage for us. Help us understand why this season is such a critical time, why we see that drop in donations.
Sure. Every year during this time, it's a tough time. But this year, we've seen a 35% decrease in our overall inventory of blood available.
Wow.
And this is really because of the travel during the holiday season. But we've seen an increase in flu and illnesses that has impacted the ability for donors to come out. On top of that, we have seen the number of donors that
Are coming in to donate.
yes, right. They're just not coming in to donate.
Yes, I mean,
Yeah.
I think during this time we all get really busy and get, like I said in the intro, we get so involved in our own schedules, it's hard to see outside of that.
That's right. So we're asking our community to come out, go to redcrossblood.org and sign up to give blood.
Yes, indeed. Okay, so let's talk about the impact of this drop in donations, right? How does this affect the patients who need that blood so badly?
It impacts them in a great way. We have our sickle cell patients or patients with cancer or those new mothers who have complications during childbirth. That blood needs to be available when they need it. And if that blood isn't available, then our great hospital partners and our medical doctors have to talk about and triage that blood. And we don't ever want to get into that situation. So that's why we're asking our donors to come out. Sign up to give blood at redcrossblood.org.
Yes, indeed. You're so right in the fact that we want it available because you never know when you're going to have your own health situation, and you would want blood to be available during that time as well. So making sure that we're helping others in our community. Can I ask you, is it just our community or are we seeing this nationwide?
This is nationwide. We've seen severe winter weather that has impacted our ability to give blood, and we have something coming up here in Texas.
Yes, we do.
That's in the next week. So hopefully it won't be so impactful, but I would ask for our community to come out, sign up to give blood at redcrossblood.org, or they can call 1-800-RED-CROSS. It's super easy.
Yes, just that easy. And let's talk about the process because that's easy as well. I think a lot of times people think it's complicated and maybe even scary. Can you break that process down for us?
Absolutely. It only takes about an hour, and we will come in, you'll come in and we'll do a blood pressure, hemoglobin test. We'll go through a list of questions, just make sure it's safe for you and for our patients. And then the actual process of the donation is only 8 to 10 minutes. And then guess what? You get some free cookies and juice at the end of it.
I like the sound of that. A snack never hurt anyone. And you even have an incentive for people to come in and donate as well this month.
That we do. And during the through January 25th, the NFL is working to provide free tickets to the Super Bowl in the San Francisco Bay Area. Right. And then on the 26th, we have a $20 gift card that will be available to our donors.
Nice, very good. Okay, so you guys they're incentivizing ways for you to come out and give some blood, but also it's just a great way to give back, especially in the beginning of the year if you're looking for a way to do that. Brian, thank you so much for being here this morning.
You're welcome.
Tell us one more time where we can find all of that information.
Go to redcrossblood.org, or you can call 1-800-RED-CROSS. And if you are so motivated to be able to host a blood drive, you can also get that information on the website as well.
Nice, very good. You guys can scan that QR code to sign up to donate. You can also visit redcrossblood.org, download the Red Cross Blood Donor app, or you can call, like Brian said, 1-800-RED-CROSS.